Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Topaz Close in St. Catherine. Imagine stepping into your dream home and wondering how this came to be. Well, the first step would have to be to find a property with true potential, since no property is truly ideal until you add your unique you. Introducing a two-story residence with four spacious bedrooms and three elegant bathrooms, an open concept living area with high ceilings, ample windows, and good special flow. It sits on 0.14 acres of land. Livable spaces create the foundation on which to improve when ready rather than stress after purchasing. Easily achieve the modern kitchen with doable upgrades when you start off with ample kitchen, counter space, and a large island. Perfect for meal prep and casual dining. The main level includes a cozy guest bedroom and a full bathroom for added convenience. Upstairs, the luxurious master suite offers a serene retreat with a walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bathroom. Two additional bedrooms with stylish bathrooms. The private backyard is ideal for relaxing or entertaining, and the home also includes a two-car garage, dedicated laundry room, balcony, and back patio. This residence blends comfort, style, and functionality, making it the perfect place to call home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.